Hi, this is Kajol. Let's go behind the scenes of Ma with IMDb.
उधर कोई नहीं आता जाता, सब कहते हैं उस पेड़ में द्वैत रहते हैं। कौन? द्वैत राक्षस।
Are you superstitious in real life? If yes, then about what?
I don't know whether I'm superstitious, but yes, I have my own little rituals that I follow. हर बार घर से निकलते हैं तो भगवान का नाम लेके निकलते हैं. If I'm starting a film or a project of any sort, I do run it by my mother and touch her feet and get her blessings before I start anything. Ideally, I would love for her to be there on the first day of shoot of whatever I do.
You've always stayed away from the horror genre. What made you say yes to this film?
I'm not a horror fan, to be honest. I'm on the opposite spectrum of a fan, really, as far as horror is concerned. As for why I stayed away from the genre, I think that earlier when I got scripts, horror films, which were very few and far in between, but I did get a few, the emphasis was always on the genre more than the script. And that always bothered me because I wanted a script that had a lot happening in it. Character development or situational, lines, everything in every which way. And I never found that. Ma started out as a concept, of course, of one of my most favorite stories, which is Kalima and Raktabij. And I'm a mythology buff, so I love my mythologies. And this is a mytho horror for the first time being attempted. So there are a lot of firsts in it. It's my first time in horror. It's the first time of mythology in horror. So yeah, and hopefully when you watch it, you will feel that we have done justice to the genre and to the script.
What part of your character hit closest to home for you?
I think the person that I am in real life is a mother. It's a character that I have been playing every day for the last 22 years. My daughter's 22 years old, so it's not something that I had to work very hard to slip into as far as the role is concerned. In the film also, as you will watch it, because it talks about the most basic instinct of a parent, which is to protect your child and which is to make sure that jo bhi ho jaye, you will not let any harm come to your child. So I think that instinct and that basic thought is very, very relatable to whoever we're talking to.
What's the most challenging aspect about filming a horror film?
I think the most challenging aspect is probably the green screen, is probably the VFX. I think the pitch of a horror film is always about what the audience is feeling, what you want the audience to feel. So as an actor, I would love for it to be a little more cooler and, a little more subdued maybe. But for that pitch, for that particular genre, for the audiences, you require pushing it that little, extra to get the kind of effect that you want, to get that level that you want. Yeah, I think that's the challenging part about it. And of course, the action. I mean, nobody knows how much of action there is in a horror film besides the people who are acting in it, let me tell you that.
With Ajay Devgn producing and you acting, did any fun dynamics play out on set?
No, there were no fights. If you're asking about that, there were no fights. There were a few disagreements, but I think that's pretty common between couples. Some of them were personal, some of them were not. Both ways, I think we both came out on top. So.
What was your first reaction after watching the trailer?
It was really scary. Like I said, I'm not a horror fan and I'm a brave person most of the time. I think that it is definitely one of those trailers that makes you think that, you would like to stand up for her. Let's go behind the scenes of Ma. Let me show you what I saw.
माँ, पेट में दर्द हो रहा है।
पहली बार है ना शोना? आगे होटल दिखेगा ना तो रुक जाएंगे, okay?
So I was very worried actually during the shooting of this particular sequence because again, like I told you, this entire sequence was shot against green. And when you shoot against green, you're always worried that you're not normal enough. And especially for things like driving a car and all that, you're like, am I a bad driver? Am I being a bad driver? So that was part of it. Like I said, when we were talking about pitch, you have to be at a much higher level than you would as an actor want to be at that point of time. But yeah, I think Harry did a fabulous job in this also.
माँ, और कितना टाइम?
बस थोड़ी देर और देर.
So, okay, so that That little bit was scary. That little bit was scary. That girl was scary in real life as well. She wasn't only scary on screen, but she was scary in real life as well. We actually shot with these girls as they are in their prosthetic and in that whole thing, which took hours to do every day. We shot in the real location it's about 4.5 hours away from Kolkata. There's this amazingly, beautifully ruined 3-4 separate bungalows put together. But the Kali Mandir over there is still functional. So the whole village gathers together and they still do their Kali Puja over there. So it was a very, very eerie landscape. और हम रात को shooting कर रहे थे. So imagine shooting over there at night, where you don't only have to worry about the snakes and the eeriness of the entire place, you have to worry about these seriously scary girls scattered very systematically throughout our set to, kind of scare us just because they can.
श्वेता, ये एक नई जगह है और अपने माँ को बोले बगैर कहीं मत जाना।
तुम मुझे वो जगह दिखाओगी? नहीं दीदी, उधर कोई नहीं आता जाता।
If you see this part of it, you can actually see the entire place where we shot with these girls. That's actually that's actually a place. So sometimes, when they say that reality is much stranger than fiction, this reality was really, really, really scary. I don't know whether I want to watch this film.
ये वो पहला लड़की नहीं है जो गायब हुआ।
कब से हो रहा है ये सब?
3-4 महीना से लड़की लोग गायब होता है।
तुम्हारा करा धरा है।
So we had this amazingly beautiful actually painting in the movie, which we talk about also, which is Kali and Raktabij again, but it's a painting and it's done so well, it's done so beautifully. That's one thing that I can give kudos to our art direction team for, because they recreated that entire feel of an old Calcutta home, with those old paintings and the furniture and all. They really, really did a fabulous job of it. And of course, my favorite part of the entire shooting was the fact that we had this amazing 15-foot Kalima's Murti in front of us. And she was covered for the first, I think, 4-5 days that we were shooting in the film. They covered the Murti, they didn't show it to us. And then eventually, it was literally a reveal, We pulled off the cloth and there she was in all her glory standing in front of us. So, yeah.
यहाँ पे इंसानों की कोई जगह नहीं। चंद्रपुर का श्राप मिटाने के लिए आप मेरी बेटी की बलि चढ़ाना चाहते हैं?
So, I need a breather. This entire section actually where, where you have the car and those girls are attacking the car, and the whole action sequence of this film is actually quite amazingly shot. And we put the entire car on cables, and it was really a technical per se shoot rather than a scary shoot. This poor girl was on cables for, I think, all the girls were on cables for like the whole day and things like that. It was a difficult shoot for all of us. When you say VFX and when you say horror, like I said, only the actors know exactly how much action goes into making this a horror film,
जब तक तेरी माँ तेरे साथ है, तेरा कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता।
So that's my favorite shot in the film. The cloth being pulled off the statue of Kali Ma, and you see her. Oh my God, how beautiful is she? I think every day when I walked on the set, that used to be my first thought, that, chappal utar ke khade raho wahan pe, and, take your blessings from Ma. She's standing there in front of you.
Any reaction to your role that has been memorable for you?
Well, I know my daughter told me that I don't think she's going to be watching the film because she's like, I'm scared already. She said, I have to go, I have to travel the world, and I have to, I'm living alone in the dormitory. What will happen to me if I see this film? So, yeah, that was quite an interesting reaction to the trailer.
Name your top 5 movies that should be on everyone's IMDb watch list.
I think Tribhanga should be on your watch list for sure. I think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, My Name is Khan. How many more do I have? How many more films do I have? Pyar to hona hi tha. Thank you guys for all your love. I really, really appreciate it. So Ma is releasing on the 27th of June. So please leave your comments on IMDb and I will definitely have a look at it. Thank you.